Hello, good evening. Today we are going to revise a topic we saw in class very little, the possessive case, '(s) plus the family. First, remember that members of the family in English can be divided into two groups, the males and the female. Is not like in Spanish that the same root of the word finishes in o if it is male or a if it is female. In English, for every person in the family, we have a special word. Let's begin with the most common ones, which is mother, father. Father is the male, mother is the female. Grandfather, grandmother. Aunt, uncle. Be careful with this word. It's aunt, not aunt, aunt, and uncle. Son, daughter. Brother, sister. Husband, wife. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Grandson, granddaughter. Nephew, niece. Son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. And cousin is the only family relation that can be used for males, yes, for males, or female. Cousins, yes, could be my cousin John or my cousin Susan, right? Okay. Look at this family. This is a very big family, and this is John's Miller family. Yes, we can say John's Miller family is similar to the idea, similar to Spanish, the family of John Miller. This phrase, the family of John Miller, even though it is correct in English, people don't use it for people. They use it for objects like the legs of the table, the screen of the computer, but not for proper nouns like John Miller or words related to people like mother, father, son. Let's look at some examples. John is a widower. A widower has no wife. He has no wife, but he has a very big family. A widower is a person whose wife has died. Yes? So John has no wife, but he has a very big family. Alice is John's daughter, similar to say the daughter of John. But we correctly say Alice is John's daughter. Alice is Joe's wife. Joe is Alice's husband. Notice that when we say Alice, yes, we have an E at the end that we don't pronounce. We say Alice. But when we add the apostrophe S, we pronounce the E. So we say Joe is Alice's husband. Chad, Patrick and Ann, Sue and Liz are Alice and Joe's children. Chad, Patrick are their sons, and Sue and Liz are their daughters. Gerard is Sue's husband, and he is Chad, Patrick and Ann's brother-in-law. All the family that has the in-law phrase at the back is related to your husband's family or your wife's family. Alice is Gerard's mother-in-law, and she is Didi, Willie, Andrea, Nick, Tim, Tom, Zoe, and Andrew's grandmother. She has 8 grandchildren. Notice that when we have a long phrase of people, yes, we add the apostrophe s just in the last one, like she, that is Alice, is Didi, Willie, Andrea, Nick, Tom, Tim, Tom, so, and Andrew's grandmother. Only the last one gets the apostrophe s. You don't write the apostrophe s to each one, sorry. Okay? Good. Now, let's have a look at this video, the possessive case. 1 girl. 2 girls. Here we have the singular and the plural. Notice the possessive in these cases. The girl's shoes refers to this girl. Girl is in the singular. The girl's shoes refers to these girl's shoes. The girl's apostrophe s, only one. The girl's apostrophe only when the noun is in the plural with s. Let's pass on to the next. Mr. Jones has a cat. Mr. Jones's cat. Or we can say Mr. Jones' cat. In this case, we can add the apostrophe s or only apostrophe. Both are okay, because this is a proper noun. Mary and Ann have a dog. This is Mary and Anna's dog. The owners are both of them. Yes? John has a tie. Peter has a tie. Peter's and John's ties. That means that Peter has one tie and John has a different tie. That's why both have the apostrophe s. The people's city. Everyone's cities. Okay, here we've got a doctor. A registered nurse. A nurse. This is an RN, a registered nurse. This is the RN's patient. Abbreviations also get an apostrophe s. Now we have 2 RNs two are an S. The R and S, patient. Both are his nurses. Okay, I hope this is clear for you now, okay? I hope you enjoy this video and you can repeat it, listen to it as many times as you think necessary. Thank you for listening.